The interview between President Donald Trump and Fox News has Laura Ingraham in November 2025 addressed several high-profile issues, highlighting the president's policies, ideas, and political strategy. A core focus was the economy and the recent government shutdown. President Trump unveiled his concept for Trump Care, proposing that federal healthcare subsidies should be deposited directly into individual accounts for consumers to purchase insurance. He dismissed any negative economic reports as a political motivate can job my the Democrat, inciting the US economy was thriving. Air traffic controllers, the traffic citizen, the air traffic controllers who took leave during the shutdown and even defended the previous suggestion at 1,000 bonus for those who remained working. Foreign student in surprising stance, he argued against dramatically reducing the enrollment of foreign students, especially those from China, at American universities, calling such cut financially destructive. This is the short story and summarize of Donald Trump Ingraham interviews.